pause and resume your mutual fund SIPs easily. Your investment journey may sometimes face a short-term challenge in case there is a financial emergency. With the HDFC Bank Smart Wealth app, you can handle such situations easily by temporarily pausing your mutual fund SIPs. Here's how to do it in just a few clicks. Log in to the HDFC Bank Smart Wealth app and go to the dashboard section. Click on the Systematic Calendar tab and select the scheme you want to pause. Tap the Quick Actions button and select Pause. Decide if you want to pause the SIP for 1 month or 2 months and hit the Pause button. Remember that you can choose to pause an SIP only up to 2 months. Once this period is over, your SIP will start again automatically. If you wish to continue your SIP before the end of the pause period, simply tap on Resume. It's simple and seamless. Download and register on the HDFC Bank Smart Wealth app today and progress on the path of wealth creation through financial discipline. Pausing an SIP may just help you tackle a crisis temporarily. To understand how you can force a crisis to take a U-turn, dive into our next video on seamless redemption process.